Hello and thank you very much for clicking onto this video, and it's another Fabitfun video. I love doing them, and these are the most videos that I do on this channel, but I have to be honest, it's really late tonight and I was going to put it off, but then I remembered what's inside the box. It's a mystery bundle and it really is a mystery bundle. I have no idea what's in it. Usually I follow the forums on Fabitfun, and if you don't know, if there's a way to tell what might be in your mystery bundle by following everybody else's code, but I haven't had a chance to do that this time. So it is a true mystery bundle, and it was ordered from the environmentally friendly sale they had going on. I'm not sure of the proper name. If I find out, I'll put it down there. But I only ordered 2 items, the mystery bundle and one other item, because I ordered from a previous sale, and that video I filmed just before the weekend. I haven't had a chance to edit it, but I will do that and I'll pop that video up as well. But it's hard to keep up with all the sales they've been having. They've just finished the World of Kits sale. It was very good as well. So yes, enough chit chat, and I will go and open the box. But as usual, I have left my glasses and my handy dandy knife somewhere, so I'll go and grab them. Okay, got my knife and I am about to open this. Really, I am really excited because I have no idea what that mystery bundle is. And you know what, it might even be a mystery bundle inside it. So okay, oh, hold on a second. Right. The usual packing paper and little packing note. My yeah, the mystery bundle is there, and I'll put the number on screen. It's 2103 MYS 021, and then the other thing that I ordered. Alright. Okay, the first thing I ordered was reusable, if I can get them out. Yeah. Reusable food wraps. So that's in there. Beeswax Wraps. These just look really interesting. I know a lot of people don't like beeswax products, but the fact that they're reusable just intrigued me, because I do make food in the house to go all the time, and these just look, as I say, really interesting. And if I can get the price, I'll put the price there as well. And these by our company called Unvogue, and I think they are a staple brand that Fabitfun have used before. I wonder, it's the same one that do all the cute mugs and things like that. So these are the wraps. They look rather small, to be honest. Hold on a second. Okay, there's different sizes. So there's 3 in total. And I just read the back. It said that they may be really sticky to use for the first time, and to use the heat of your hand to unfold them. Not working for me so far, but hey ho, I will give that a go. Interesting. I think it's just that one. Alright, yeah. So that's it there. And then you just wrap a sandwich or piece of cheese or something in them. But yeah, definitely you will enjoy using those. Right, now the mystery bundle. Right, so if you don't know, the mystery bundle, usually around $29. It's supposed to be worth over $100 worth of products, and there's usually 3 to 4 products inside. And right, it's a complete mystery, really random on what they put in. This looks like all skincare, which I'm not mad at. I'll use skincare for sure, but I like it when they mix up and put like a variation of products inside. So I don't know, I like using these bags for different things if you can get the knot out. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try and just gonna open it with my knife. Right. Okay, the first product that I see looks, it says low key, it looks like a shade, it looks like a lipstick. I can't see lip colour, but who's it from? I have no idea. I have no idea who what this brand is. Right. Okay, I had to bust it open. There is no other way because it's completely sealed. But the good news is I figured out who it's from. Don't know if you can make it out there. It's from Milk Makeup, which I love completely. I love Milk Makeup. And the shade is right up my street anyway. I'm not going to swatch it. I have 1,000,001 lipsticks open already, and just in case I'm not going to use it, I'm not going to swatch it, so that means I can pass it on. And oh my gosh, look at this. Magnetic. That is really good. Milk Makeup is rather expensive and lovely. Really happy with that. That is a good item, but I do have like 101 lipsticks. This actually looks like another lipstick, and it looks like it's from Stila. And is this one of their everlasting lipsticks? No, it's semi-gloss lip and eye paint. Ooh, let's see. Right. Okay, the color is Botticelli. So Botticelli is a color. It's a really lovely nude color. I don't know about whether I would use that in my eyes. They have separate sort of metallic eye paints. I don't know. I shall see. I will not swatch it just in case I end up giving it away. But it is like a really dark, another dark nude colour. But I definitely don't like gloss on the lips. Alright, the other two products now. Let me see. Okay, oh my gosh, it's Fabitfun. So Fabitfun, I know, is a really expensive skincare brand, and it's a clay renewal mask. Now, I definitely will use it. So I'm happy enough with it. So that's it there. Just really simple packaging, but I know that's expensive. Even in TJ or TK Maxx, it's still expensive. So I will put the prices I find for everything down below. It says it's multi-action, purify pores, balances and brightens. So yep, I am definitely happy with that. Next up, and this looks like a little bit battered, but it's alright. Oh my gosh. Right, it's from Volition. I have just finished using a Volition product that I got in another mystery bundle. The Celery Cream. Absolutely amazing. 100%. I really do need to do a review of that cream. I think it was available as a choice in a previous box and I never chose it, and I end up getting it in a mystery bundle, and I absolutely loved it. Absolutely fantastic. I can't believe it. This makes the whole bundle. So this is a strawberry serum by Volition. I don't know what the reviews like are on the serum, but definitely that celery cream is absolutely amazing. Really, I would highly recommend it. So I am definitely really excited about this. That's it there. Isn't that fantastic? I wonder how much that is. So that's the strawberry sea serum. I'm going to open it because I am going to use it anyway. I wonder, does it smell like strawberries? Probably not. Like it does sort of, but I think it's because I have that in my head. But and with the celery cream, I kept it in the fridge. I normally don't keep skincare products in the fridge, but I think it helped. It was amazing. It was just a lovely it was just a lovely moisturizer to use during the summer. No, it's not. It's not like strawberries. To be honest, there's not much of a smell to it, which is really good if you are sensitive to smell. But I can't believe it. Those two products, definitely the Volition strawberry serum and the Fabitfun mask. Oh, make that bundle. I mean, I bet you any money the Volition strawberry sea serum is worth more than the $29.99 for the bundle. It has to be. So absolutely love those. The lipsticks were an odd thing to put in, but then again, you know, I'm not gonna say no. I I think I'd try this. The nude color is my go-to color. The gloss, I probably end up giving that away. So yeah, so really happy with that bundle. Let me know what you think down in the comments down below. But that's it. If you've any questions, please feel free to comment down below as well, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, thank you for watching if you've made it this far, and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.